The Mazda EZ-6, an electric or plug-in hybrid sedan, replacing the Mazda 6 in China, will be sold in Europe after its maker signed an export deal with its joint venture partner. Mazda in Japan and Changan Mazda in China, a 50-50 joint venture between Changan Automobile and Mazda, have signed an agreement on electric vehicle export cooperation to sell the EZ-6 and other Chinese-built electric cars in global markets. The rear-wheel drive Mazda EZ-6, based on the Deepal SL03 sedan from local car maker Changan, was unveiled in April at the Beijing Auto Show and will be launched in China and Europe in the Northern Hemisphere's autumn. Mazda has not confirmed plans to sell the EZ-6 outside of China or Europe, or if a right-hand drive version of the EZ-6 will be built for Australia, Japan, or the United Kingdom. At this stage, Mazda hasn't detailed full technical specifications of either EZ-6 powertrain, though the BEV model has a claimed range of approximately 600 kilometers according to lenient CLTC standards, whereas the PHEV model is expected to travel over 1,000 kilometers on a single tank of fuel. Both EZ-6 models will be rear-wheel drive only. The Mazda EZ-6 measures in at 4 thigh 921 mm long, 9 mm wide, and 485 mm tall, which is 56 mm longer, 50 mm narrower, and 35 mm taller than the current Mazda 6 sedan. It appears the EZ-6 is a restyled version of the existing SL03 sedan from Changan's Deepal brand. However, Autocar reports Mazda is considering the EZ-6 for sale in the United Kingdom, but a decision has yet to be made, opening the door for a potential Australian launch for the Tesla Model 3 and BYD Seal rival if a right-hand drive version is developed. Members of Mazda's European Research and Development Center have visited China for performance tuning and validation of the EZ-6, the brand says, to ensure it delivers similar driving dynamics to the internal combustion Mazda 6. The EZ-6 will serve as a successor to the Mazda 6 in some markets after it was discontinued in the US, Europe, Japan, and China, although it remains available in Australia in sedan or wagon form for the time being. A related electric and plug-in hybrid SUV model, the Mazda EZ60, to rival the best-selling Tesla Model Y, will follow in 2025, previewed by the Errata concept unveiled alongside the EZ-6 at this year's Beijing Auto Show. A driving range of up to 600 kilometers is claimed for the all-electric Mazda EZ-6 and over 1,000 kilometers from the hybrid model with a full battery and tank of fuel.